You know, Indian guys don't even dream, Indian or Asian should not even dream about sleeping with the white blonde. So, hey guys, hope you are doing good. I'm doing good too. Welcome to Real Pill from Deepak. In this video, we will be talking about, actually, this is the third time making this video. Sometimes the audio don't work, sometimes this don't work, that don't work, so much distraction. So I'm making this video third time. So, welcome to Real Pill from Deepak. In this video, we will be talking about the elements that influence when you are picking up girls, seducing girls, the elements that influence, and these elements are weighted, you know these elements are given much more weightage by some communities like incel community, black pill community, some Tao guys. So a lot of these guys give these elements much more weightage than the actual game part. So the elements are looks, money, status. So in this video, we will be talking about the looks part of the game, like money or status we will be discussing in the other time, but in this video we will be talking about the looks part. So looks, do looks play a role when you're picking up girls or not? So the looks part is given much more weightage by incel, black pill, and some guys also. They say like only the chads can get get all the girls. The guys with the extremely good looks, they get the girls, and the other guys don't have any, like average looking guys, they have no chance. This is what is going on in the community, and they just give up. So in this video we'll be discussing from my views. I will discuss looks play a role or not role. Also, I'll be making a lot of other videos on this. Maybe some videos are already released, and some video I will also make in future about this. How you can optimize your look, how you can maximize your looks when it comes to picking up girls. So I'll be discussing these topics. I will making these videos on my channel. So in this video, I will be telling you if it plays a role or not. So you have to understand one thing also here, that I'm the guy who has most result in most success proof in dating community. Plus I'm also the guy who has the worst circumstances when it comes to picking up girls in Western countries. I'm Indian immigrant. I am not even born in West. Some some guys you will find who are like maybe minorities, but they are born in West with Western accent. I am the guy who is coming from India with Indian accent and getting the top quality girls in West. So I will tell you my views. So looks play a role. Definitely looks play a role. This is 2021. If somebody is saying that looks don't play a role, then they are just telling you not the truth. Looks definitely play a role in this present time when it comes to picking up girls. That's the reality. Now, some dating coaches will say to you, some good-looking dating coaches will say to you, like, looks don't play a role. Some good-looking, positive stereotype dating coaches, white dating coaches, they will say, looks don't play a role, it is not really important, looks don't matters. They are lying. Because if an average-looking guy is coming to them, and if that question come in mind, if he's a good-looking guy, and I'm average guy, then how he can teach me results? So for that, confusion should not come in their mind. The students, they just say oh, looks don't play a role. Some dating coaches, some of these dating coaches will also say to you, looks do matters, but only in the starting of the game. like looks to matter like only first 1 minute or 2 minutes when you're approaching girl. After that, game for a good looking guy or an average looking guy is the same. Like what they're saying is starting part of the seduction, their looks matters. After that, after you initially pass the approach part, after that it is the same, which is again they are lying. Actually, looks play a role in the whole process, from the start till the end. From the start till the end, the looks will play a role in game. So what your looks is, that will also define how tight game you need, to get the girl, the same girl. If you are like, a really good looking guy or average looking guy, then your looks will define what is the quality of game you need to get the same girl. So in my views, looks play a role, and but I will say one thing: do what it takes to maximize your looks. In my views, it is like this, do what it takes to get result. Do what it takes to maximize your looks, to optimize your looks to the maximum potential, to the maximum level, so that you can get the best, results. One thing is important about looks is that looks do matters when you're in the initial, when you're seducing girls, like when I'm saying when you are approaching girls till you're sleeping with her. In that part, looks do matters. After, for example, if you are going in a relationship with that girl and somehow you're not that physically fit, for example, you are now maybe 5 kg more, you are 70 kg fit guy, and now you are in a relation, you become 75 or something like that, you are not that good looking. In that, when you're in relationship, then looks will not play that much matter. Then the game part is playing much more importance rather than your looks part in relationship. In relationship, this is my personal experience, my student's experience. If somehow you pick up the girl and your looks stay the same, but your game part is somehow weak, it may happen that when there comes a relationship, the girl will still leave you. The girl may still leave you because you're still like, your game is still weak. So in relationship, looks will not play that much matter. But when you're picking up girls, when I'm saying picking up means like from picking up, from approaching till sleeping with her, there the looks play a matter. I mean, on the last stage, when the girl is in your apartment, when you're about to sleep with her, then when it's too late anyway, then it's all good, then she will sleep with you. But but in the starting stage, but overall, like, in when you're picking up girls, then it will play a role throughout, and based on that, your looks, the girl give you less or more objections based on how you look on every stages of game. You understand? So that's how it is, and like what I teach is also like, how to deal with all these objection, all this resistance you are facing in all stages of seduction. Now, what I strongly advise against watching the videos of like black pill community, incel TV guys, black pill guys, MGTOW guys. What they will do, they will brainwash you. They will give you like lot of examples. They will give you an extreme examples like, on one side there is a Chad, extremely good looking Chad, some Tinder experiment. On the other side, like, completely busted guy. So they are showing some complete opposite examples, and then saying that it's all about Chad. They are like getting girls, and like these guys, the girls is not like choosing these guys, but majority of the guys are neither like Chad nor like that busted guy, extremely busted guy. So they're using these kind of example and try to brainwash like general population. And then when you're watching this video, you start to rationalize if you're not getting laid. Oh, I am that busted guy. So which is not true. Imagine 10 years ago, if I would have watched these kind of black pill incel community videos on YouTube, there was no YouTube at that time. If I would have watched these kind of videos, then maybe it could have happened that I would have already give up and wouldn't have tried anything like, it comes to game. Then I say, okay, Indian guys are not getting laid. That's it. And I have to give up, something like that. One time I give you one story, small story. I was in New York, and then from New York I was now traveling back to like Europe for the other boot camp, and I hired an Uber, which is like sharing, like you're sharing with other guys. So there were like many guys who were going in this Uber towards the airport, and then there was one guy. Like everybody was discussing what they do, so I told her like I'm here to teach guys in their dating life, and there was one guy. Then he asked me like are you Indian? I said yes. Then he said to me like Indian guys don't even dream, Indian or Asian should not even dream about sleeping with the white blonde American girls. They should not even dream about it. White blonde girls, they should not think. They should not even think about it. So they were speaking like this, like we should not even think about it. So if there is the TV like Incel TV, that guy is also talking about like Indians, Asians, and this guy have the same attitude. They say like Indian guys, ha 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 ha, Indian guys, ha ha ha. They don't even dream about it. They should not even think about sleeping with Stacy or something like that. So this is what they're brainwashing them. If you're watching these guys, then you start to rationalize. Okay, he's telling the truth, and you will not see the other side. You look at me like if I would have watched in the initial stages when I was learning game, watch these people, then I would have never like reached to the level I am right now. So I strongly suggest you to not watch, these like black pill incel TV, black pill channels, MGTOW channels. So because they are just telling one part of the story. Oh, looks, there is no space, so I have to go from here. So you can see this, some kind of train is there, very interesting. So you can see this train. So they are telling just one part of the story, and they are not giving you any solution. For example, there is a problem, and someone is keep on reminding you that there is a problem, there is a problem, there is a problem, there is a problem, but he's not giving you any solution. Imagine. So if you are like the type of if you are like going to these kind of guys who are just reminding you about the problem but not giving you any solution, then it just not making any sense. So what I'm saying is that, yeah, of course, looks do matters in game, but it is not all about looks. You can bypass lot of lot of barriers. When you're sick, you can bypass lot of barriers what you may face because of looks by your good game, definitely. Now, one thing I will also tell you here is like when I say maximize your potential in looks part, then many guys they think that they are doing their best when it comes to maximizing the looks potential, but actually they are not. So you have to watch my other video in Real Pill about the title of the video is going to be like fitness for girls or something like that. So that video will be very interesting for you guys. So what I'm saying here in this video, like, when I say maximizing the potential, and some guys think that they are doing it, but they are not maximizing the potential. They're choosing some wrong ways. For example, one time there's a real like a story, like one of my friend who got his girlfriend left him, so, and it was tough for him to get laid or to getting girlfriend, and now he came to me, and I helped him emotionally. And then I told him, like, it's time to you got your girlfriend in 2017, and now it's 2020. Now it's time to maximizing the, like, all the part of the elements which is required to get the girl. One is, like, for example, look smart, so looks maxing. Then I said also looks maxing, game maxing, like, gaming, technical gaming skill maxing. So he started, okay, looks maxing. I said, like, go to the gym. So instead of, he was going to the gym, he hired some fitness coach, and the fitness coach gives him some stupid, crazy advice that don't train more than 30 minutes and do some light weights and do some, some jogging stuff and all, like, and my friend was happy. I said, like, dude, like, you have to work hard in the gym, like, spend more time, do heavy lifting, lift weight, and the main idea is building muscles. You have to build muscles so that you are maximizing your potential, you're maximizing the looks. So when the summer will come in Europe, you will have the best, like, physical appearance to get results. But if you are doing just this lightweight exercises and 30 minutes and not focusing on the nutrient, you're not going to make, good gains, big gains. You will still look like a normal guy. There's not too much difference. So I told him, and I told you guys also, that sometimes you may think that you are doing your best when it comes to optimizing your looks, but it is still not the maximum potential you are reaching. It's still not the best what you are doing, actually. For me, like, I even train the particular part of the body which brings me the best results, when it comes to picking up girls. So I know exactly which part of my body, which feature, like, gets me the best attraction when I'm talking to girls. So I have optimized myself in such a way, every very micro optimization. I made one tattoo also, which is also helping me in bringing results with younger girls. So here, but I'm also saying that it's not like I don't require to maximize my looks potential. No, I also, with game, I also require. So I put this tattoo on me, and you can also do it. If you like, you can do it. You can do some other things also. The clothes part, you wear the right cloth. That is also important. So that's what I'm saying in this video is optimizing your looks as much as you can, and then forget about it. That's it. And then focus on the, like, on the game part. So that's what I want to say in this video. Looks do matters in game and picking up girls, but it is not all about looks. It is definitely not all about looks. If it is all about looks, then I wouldn't be making videos here for you. I will be just sitting somewhere in some city in Germany, working in my Volkswagen job, IT and masturbating to porn, going back home. And that's what I was doing. I would have done at that time. So So that's what I want to say in this video. Like there is a hope, there is a like way to get results. So in the next video I'll be covering I'll be covering money and status part also. Looks, money, status. So I will be covering money and status also, and then we will also covering the game part. So the real in Deepak Dating we say it LMSG, looks, money, test, looks, money, status and game. The new element is added in this equation is game, LMS and G, looks, money, status and game. So we'll be covering all this topic one by one. So even if you are like not having the best looks, then you don't need to worry. You can see me clearly. I'm the guy who is not having the best looks, still getting laid, still getting the best results. Like many other guy, many even good-looking guy can only dream the type of girls I'm getting. So this is how it is, you know. There is a solution for every problem, and you have to look for the right person, right people for the solution, and then you will get the solution. So don't worry. So this is what I want to say individually. To recap, looks do matter in game, and I will make more videos on this channel to how you can optimize your looks. I'll make other videos about looks on this channel, so you should definitely watch these videos also. That will really help you. These type of videos will definitely help you. And so yeah, hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, then like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, and Dating Mastery will be also coming soon. Me and my team is working on it, so subscribe to our email list also, and we will see you in the next video. Take care, bye. Also guys, don't forget to watch the playlist Rock Solid Infield on this channel, where I'm doing live flirt, picking up girls in front of camera, showing top level pickup and attraction skills. Also don't forget to watch Student Transformation and Testimonials, where I'm teaching my students, showing full documentaries, student success and their testimonials also.